In this session, we'll walk through unpacking your Fusion Maker and Fusion Edge tabletop systems. Begin by moving the pallet and machine into the center of a room or open space. Using scissors or a utility knife, cut the box straps. Be sure to stand clear of the straps when cutting them, as they may pop off at high speed when cut. Remove the box lid. Next, remove any foam packaging. Remove the box corners. With the inserts removed, pull the box up and away from the pallet. Now, spread the bag over the sides of the machine. The laser system will weigh between 138 and 225 pounds, depending on the configuration. With the help of another person, lift the machine and place it on a sturdy, level surface. If you've purchased the Fusion stand, assemble the stand before completing this step. Once you've removed the machine from the pallet, you'll find the included items stored underneath. Your laser system will include a power cord and belt tension check tool, a bag containing an Ethernet cord, USB cord, software installation USB, lens cleaner, laser alignment target, bearing lubricant and toolkit, an owner's manual, a training suite kit, a vendor materials kit, and a camera calibration sheet. Please be sure to keep all packaging material and crating in case you need to move the system in the future. Thank you for watching, and check out more training videos at support.epiloglaser.com.